The midsize luxury SUV is at its best when it effortlessly combines the satisfaction of driving on the road with modern technology and a luxurious cabin, and the BMW X5 2021 does just that. 3 different powertrains are offered, including a plug-in hybrid model and a high-performance twin-turbo V8 in the X5's distinctly athletic manners. The style is attractive without being too flashy, and the interior pampers its passengers with quality materials, comfortable seats, and a number of comfort and luxury features. It faces stiff competition from the Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne, and Mercedes-Benz GLE class, but the X5 is a well-equipped package for the task at hand. For 2021, there are now 3 different powertrains, each associated with a different X5 model. The X5's wearing the S-Drive 40i or X-Drive 40i badge is powered by 335 horsepower inline 6-cylinder. The X-Drive 45e plug-in hybrid comes with a turbocharged inline 6 and an electric motor that combines to produce 389 horsepower. Finally, the 523 horsepower M50i twin-turbo V8 allows it to hit 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. All 3 powertrains are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and neither of them will leave a driver wanting power in almost any driving situation. The X5's smooth ride and stable handling is a big improvement over the previous generation model, as is the steering, which feels more connected and direct but still isn't exactly what it considers sporty. Q7 still has an X5 beat in these areas, but it's a tough match. The X5's pitch into corners is fast, and it holds up reliably and rewards drivers with the predictability that's missing from the GLE class. And if you need to pull up, know that the X5's maximum crane capacity is a solid 7,200 pounds, no matter what engine it has. For 2021, the X-Drive 50i X5 model has been replaced by a plug-in hybrid X-Drive 45e. The new plug-in hybrid powertrain consists of a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder and an electric motor with a total output of 389 horsepower. The 24.0-kWh battery pack is said to provide an electric-only driving distance of up to 30 miles. The typical 40i model also receives some light electrification in the form of a 48-volt hybrid system. Otherwise, the X5 will only receive a slight change, as is the current standard with SiriusXM satellite radio. The more racing M50i model gets long-range start and a ventilated front seat. With 6 inline cylinders, the X5 is just as fuel efficient as the 4-cylinder powered version of the GLE class and is slightly less fuel efficient than the 4-cylinder Q7, according to the EPA. With the V8, its EPA rating has dropped dramatically but still matches the supercharged V6 variant from Land Rover Discovery. However, during real-world road fuel economy testing, only the 40i model outperformed the highway ratings with a yield of 28 mpg. The M50i recorded 20 mpg, 2 mpg less than expected. We haven't had the chance to test the new X-Drive 45e model yet, but when we do, we'll update this story with results. The interior space is ample enough for adults in the first and second rows, but the optional third row X5 is for kids only. Once inside, occupants are treated to a cabin covered in high-quality materials, multiple charging points for the device, and depending on the option selected, a myriad of luxurious features. Power-adjustable front seat with memory for the driver is standard equipment. All models are equipped with a power-adjustable steering column, heated front seat, panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, power rear lift doors, rain-sensing windshield wipers and adjustable ambient lighting. A massage chair, remote start, soft close doors, acoustic glass, leather dashboard and heated front armrests and steering wheel can make the X5 feel like a high-end luxury SUV but add a lot of batter to the bottom line. Speaking of expensive options, buyers can add a Bowers & Wilkins surround sound audio system featuring a diamond dome tweeter. The X5 offers plenty of cargo space. With the back seat used, and managed to fit 11 carry-on suitcases behind the second row of seats. With the rear seats folded down, operations that can be performed from the side or rear of the SUV find room for 26 cases. The Mercedes GLE matched the X5's results in this test, case by case, but the rear seats weren't easy to store.